Changing yourself can be hard, and sometimes it feels like you're not going as fast as you wish. Today, I'm going to talk about how small changes may feel like they're not making a big difference. I'm going to show you how they add up gradually over time. Reminders and motivation can be extremely helpful when it comes to lasting change, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week. I felt inspired by nature on my walk the other day, and I want to share this concept with you. I was walking next to a stream that appeared to be very still. It wasn't until there was a log set in the center of it that I could see that the stream was actually moving all along. There was a current underneath that wasn't visible. I want you to think about this in terms of your own personal growth. Change isn't always smooth. Sometimes you can take 2 steps forward and 1 step back, 3 steps back and 1 step forward, but as long as you're always going forward to some extent and you're learning from those step backs, it's a win. There's a great quote out there that comparison is the thief of joy. So when you're thinking about your own personal growth, be sure that you're only measuring yourself up to you. What everyone else is doing has nothing to do with the book and the story that is your life. You're in charge, you're creating it, and you are the author of that book. Help support my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. I believe in you. Thank you for watching Stop, Look, and Listen with Samantha.